Tēnā tātou te whānau, ngā haue whā kua hui hui mai nei I tēnei wā. He karakia, he mihi hoki tēnei ki te ao tūroa. Ko te umuariki tēnei e mihi nui ki a koutou, nau mai, hara mai, hoki mai. Karakia tua ono, cease the winds, whakataka te hau. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga. Kia mā kina kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. Kia hi aki ana te ātā kura, he tio, he huka, he hauhu, ti hei Māori ora. Anei tō tātou whakamārama whānau, our short explanation and translation here as it's been presented to me. But in our initial opening, he timatanga, we acknowledged ourselves here as whānau gathered from the four winds and acknowledged this as a prayer or our acknowledgement of the weather and surrounding environments as well. So whānau, please feel free to learn, share and use at any time or in your daily mahi. My thoughts are that this is, karakia, is in observation to a phenomena where at certain times the weather will coincide and to set up these pristine conditions allowing for the following weather patterns and the prospect of a glorious day. So we'll look at them line for line, whānau, translating as we go. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, cease the winds from the west. Whakataka te hau ki te tonga, cease the winds from the south. Kia mā kina kina ki uta, let the breezes blow over the land. Kia mā taratara ki tai, let the breezes blow over the sea. Kia hi aki ana, te ātā kura, let the red-tipped dawn come, he tio, he huka, he hauhu, with a sharpened ear, a touch of frost, and a promise of a glorious day. Tihei, Māori ora, sneeze, 'tis the breath of life. Ka pai whānau, haven't got time on here for a waiata, but we'll pop one up on the 2-for-1 special or on one of the other clips. But anyway, just let's look at it again. Let's look at them 2 lines at a time. You'll see there's sort of some balance here. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga. The prefix is whaka. Taka is to drop, or to, in this context, in relation to weather, we're calling for it to abate and for those winds to quell and to drop down. Te hau ki te uru, to the west, ki te tonga, and to the south. When that happens, it sets up ideal conditions. Kia mā kina kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. That's the same sensation of quelling those winds, an inland sea breeze coming inland, and it's very cool. And then an outgoing seaward breeze, and even cooler again. That sets us up for a pristine, it's all set up, a very cool night. Hi aki ana te ātā kura, and what is born in the morning is a beautiful, crisp, red-tipped dawn, with a sharpened ear, he tio, he huka, touch of frost, and yeah, ho-hu, a new, invigorated wind, tihei, Māori ora.